I'm always watching.
Yo, what is what? I was gonna say, what is welcome? What is up? I don't think this shows anything too important. I gotta get this loaded. This is my email. I honestly couldn't care less. I think it's somewhere on one of these. Why would I care? Explain to me why I would freaking care. Anyways, I haven't posted in a while. I wanted to post Sunday recaps. I wanted to post a lot, but I just couldn't. I didn't have the time. Okay, so that is. I don't even want to talk about the day I had. And what was I saying? I was gonna say that we did bad, we did good, we did good, we did bad, right? So, right now we only have one funded account. It is a eval. I had two XFAs. I blew them. I got two more XFAs. I blew them, and then I just bought one $50 one. So I just want to be lenient with it. I'm not gonna really do much with it. I don't want to like blow money. I'm waiting till I'm more profitable until I buy the $90 ones that don't require an activation fee, which is fine with me. Um, so yeah, so that's what I'm doing for the time being. This is one of the trades I marked out for today. We are somehow in the positives. I will honestly say that I shouldn't be. So not in like terms of like, haha, I'm unprofitable. I'm not, but it's just a bad trade today. Honestly, I think it was a good trade. It missed, and then I did something I shouldn't have. I'll show you. I will show you. So, 920, 930. Immediately we have a little retrace up and break a structure down. And I'm just like, honestly, I don't really want a 5-minute retrace. Why? Because I'm fucking lazy. So, I didn't wait for the 5-minute retrace and I took shorts here. I did not target a small move. I targeted this, and what I did was actually it was going to go break even here. It goes down, it kind of touched into it, and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to go to break even because I was confident. It kind of goes up, moves down a little bit, and then no, I just blast my, like I was doing schoolwork while I was doing everything else, and I just hear overfilled. I'm like, and I knew it was like in this zone, so I was like, chances are we got taken out, right? Like in a bad way. So we go all the way up. I'm like, holy shit, we retrace this. Not expected. I didn't expect that at all. It's only like not even maybe a 5-minute sweep, so it's nothing serious. I thought this was hourly, nothing special though. It's like kind of like not significant. Like, there's literally 3 of them. I don't know. I don't know the math behind it, but it was an hourly high, so I was looking for shorts. Of course, I was looking for my retrace. Sadly, didn't get that. Sadly, didn't get a clean version of it. I mean, you could have definitely taken shorts and taken profit by here. So, if I waited for the 5-minute, if you waited for a 5-minute real retrace, you would have gone. You would have waited. You wouldn't have hit this. This is a sweep, so now you got to wait for a retrace on this. You see this up move candle. All right, you go down to the 1 minute. Right, it sweeps, goes up, and then you're waiting for it to take full profit. So you take on a breaker structure here, and you're not going to get any breaker structures. This one, so this would have been a shitty trade, but it's probably the only trade you could have had. Unless you love me. Yeah, no one's taking that. So shitty PA day. Tradable, yeah, but was it good? No. What I took was, as soon as it reswapped, I was just like, yeah, we're definitely just going to go down. I don't know how far. I knew we were probably going to go at least down to here. So I just had shorts. This 1 minute got me up like 1,300. I was down 700 from the previous trade. I'd risk more on, evals because it's fucking $50 and it's not really gonna do much. But I should take more care of them. I just don't see the purpose. It's only $50, so I was just like kind of lenient with that. I got like 1,300 up. I did a couple cons. The first one only did one, which was why I was kind of upset about that, because what was it? It was like right here. Targeted right here. Targeted 80, because I know this hit. So like yeah, about 80. And so it's upset like 47. I managed to get it, like, I waited just a second before it went up, so I kind of only lost like 790, even though this is 40 points, which would most likely be like 860. I mean, that's, what the fuck am I talking about? Like 850. Targeted 1500. So this definitely just missed. And then, it kind of got taken out, like, got taken profit. I was up 700, and I was just like, okay, I'm not even going to think about trading this. This is really stupid. We went down here, and I think down here somewhere I was just like, inverse, whatever. I was just like, honestly, it was just a flaw that it didn't get taken out. Not that, like, it wasn't going to go down, but that I just don't know how, like my friend got taken out, like, right about right here. He was in a real trade. I was marking this out for shits and fucking giggles. Because eventually we're going to take out this low. Right? And we do, but damn. It's just like, I don't know why it went all the way up here before it went down. And if you were, like, realistic, like, if you were a realistic person, like, it retraces up here, right? Not up here. So you could have just gone, like, here and just, well, that's gone. Oh, right. I remember I was talking to my friend. He had it, like, literally at this thing, and so he thought he got taken out. He was just like, he thought he got taken out. He's so happy because it was just like, it didn't take him out there. Right? He was like, no way I didn't get taken out. And it goes back down. He's like more than break even. It's funny. I think I was here actually, because I remember like this was break even. I had at least 1-1. I wouldn't have taken anything but a 1-1. Okay. Anyways, that's kind of it for that. I'm gonna mark out standard deviation just for like tomorrow overnight. I don't know, just for shit. Like, I'm not gonna say shit equals twice. That's weird, but for fun, because I don't know why not. So, oh, okay. So it does tap this like -1 here, which is, it's insane how it kind of reacts off of that. No reaction off of like either of these. This would have happened earlier. Yeah. 1800 should be somewhere. So we got this. So I think there's nothing to do off of this strategy. I mean, there's always something to do, right? Like small ones, like right here. If you just went break even off all of the taps into these, that's just like a whole strategy on its own. Just literally as soon as it taps in, you full port. It goes here, it goes back up, it taps into this middle zone. Honestly, even just like full porting like here. That's a whole strat. $1,800 if you completely full porting it down on this. That's easy, right? It's insane. But you don't know if it's going to top 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. And nowhere to take the TP off of either. Shitty. So nothing to do tomorrow or today. I mean today or tomorrow overnight. Nothing. 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 So that's basically all I traded. Let's go to hourly. I don't know. Fucking, what the fuck is this? Like, you could draw a square around this. You could draw a square around this PA. Right? Even, like, going back here. We got some movements over here. This is nice. Pretty sexy over here. But, like, here, I just don't even want an exclamation. It looks like we kind of took a small liquidity. I didn't really think it was going to do much. It looks like we went down enough to maybe tap into this 0.5. Yep. So it seems. And now we're just going to probably be bullish tomorrow. I'm gonna swing trade this. Not the worst swing trade. I'm telling you. My swing trades never miss. Never, never, never. That's it. Thank you for watching. This is trade recap number 11. I'm checking. What the fuck? What the fuck was all of this? Why are these AI slops creating like... This is AI slop. Don't watch YouTube! Unless it's Joe Rogan. Am I glazing for that? Joe Rogan is nowhere to be seen, I guess. I mean, not Joe Rogan. Joe fucking Bart. Ooh. 2 weeks? Damn. Damn. Alright. Yeah, so this is trade recap number 13. I'll see you, G's. Boom! Oh, that's tough. That's tough. That's like should be an outro or something.